we start? Have you guys gotten over this embarrassing loss on Wednesday? I was thinking about it. They've had some bad losses in franchise history. This stacks right up there with some of the worst ones.
Yeah, sadly it does. And what's worse is you look at the playoff picture in the AFC, most of the other teams are peaking, playing their best football, on their rise, and that's even the teams behind them, clearly in the seedings. They're not. They're going in the opposite direction. The 2-game winning streak they had, I think we can see why they might have had it, considering who they were playing, and now the 2-game losing streak we're on, same thing. These teams are just flat out better than them at execution, at coaching, and certainly at talent.
Right, while I'm not haunted by the ghosts of Christmas present, I am nonetheless concerned, high alert, maybe not pushing the panic button, fingers get a little close.
Yeah.
I would say that they look like an early exit, an easy out in the playoffs, and they'll all tell you any given Sunday once you're in the tournament, but the Texans don't look like a team that's going to make any noise. They look like they're headed to an off-season that might be a bit rocky and a lot of change coming.
After that game, of course, more heat on Bobby Slowick, the offensive coordinator. What his future is, we don't know what direction D'Amico Ryan's going to go, but what are we seeing right now to C.J. Stroud? C.J. obviously struggling with his passing, his footwork, just the mechanics just look out of sync a little bit.
Everything's all tied to one thing. The reason Bobby Slowick's on as hot a seat as he is, and the reason why C.J. is getting criticism, among other reasons, is their offensive line can't provide them the ability to call plays that are going to work. Everyone's going, oh my God, all these screen plays, why do they keep doing this? Well, because they can't do anything else. They can't block for the run, they can't block for the pass, and C.J. probably came out of his worst game. I agreed with what he said, the way he assessed it. He was just missing throws that he should not have missed, that he did have time to make, that he did have open receivers. So now that's an additional problem to all the others we're talking about, which all stem from the O-line. They're in big trouble.
Downward spiral and trickle down effect, not as simple as just Bobby Slowick's play calling. Agree with Adam. Because people are in your face, they're stepping on your feet, leaving your own offensive line because they're being pushed back so hard. That's one of the things that's missing on the open throws. It's not just him not being able to fundamentally do it and being on his back foot and all the things that are obvious to anyone that's watched football. It's about not having the proper amount of time, and that goes back to Nick Caserio, the offensive line, and the evaluations. They invested all this money and resources, and they didn't play up to it. It's not just the offensive line, but it's other things. Dalton Schultz not blocking, not catching passes the way he did a year ago.
Yeah.
It's everybody, and it's not just Slowick, but the creativity is an issue too.
They got the Titans coming up on Sunday to close it out. We don't know what the playing status yet is going to be with the starters, how much these guys will play, but what's the goal? What's the end game here on Sunday to kind of get some kind of mojo back for the postseason?
You look at it, Randy, and they have to get something going in terms of flow, and I think that means as soon as you have a couple of good series or maybe a half, you think about getting Davis Mills in there for C.J. Stroud, preserve him for the playoffs. I think C.J. is banged up. He acknowledged that after the game. He looks like a quarterback that's banged up.
Yeah, I wouldn't play anybody, to be honest with you. Not playing Laramie Tunsil, not playing Nico Collins, not playing C.J. Stroud. You said as soon as they get a couple of good series, who's to say they'll get a couple of good series? Then you're just taking them out after another week of poor play, and we all know how often he's been hit. You mentioned the injury situation. I'm not putting C.J. Stroud out there to get sacked again. He gets sacked on the first series almost every single drive these days, or every single game. I wouldn't play him at all. There's nothing to gain, even with how poorly the team's playing mentally. I just don't think there's anything to gain.
And they're lucky he hasn't had a serious injury, Lex. I mean, this thing could have gone even worse. Imagine if Davis Mills has to play half the season.
Absolutely. 52, we were talking about before, 52 sacks. 38 all of last season. He's taken a bunch of hits this year.
Yeah, 52 is a huge number regardless of what last year. Not for Caleb Williams and the Bears, who clearly have offensive problems. He'd be number one in the league in his second year off of trying to build this line and offense around what they have. That's a huge step backwards, and we've watched it all play out.
All right, we're going to find out. Texas back to work starting Monday there at NRG Stadium, and they'll play the Tennessee Titans to wrap up this regular season on Sunday, and then it's playoff time. At least that first one's going to be at home, and maybe they can get something going and make a run. We will see. They got some issues certainly to clean up. Great conversation, guys. Adam Wexler, Sports Talk 790, the A-Team.